Hello everyone. Can you think what we are doing today? Today we are here in front of Feni eMart. This is a super shop and today we have our all students who has joined with us to learn vocabularies and conversation in the outdoor. So today we will see not in the indoor, in the outdoor how to talk and how to learn vocabularies. So let's go. And are you ready everyone?
We are ready!
So now we are in the entrance section. So here the first step. From here we have to go different types of section. So in English, in Bangladesh we say section. আমরা এখন কোথায় আছি? We are on the, এটা যদি এক নাম্বার হয়
One section.
we are on the first aisle. We are on the, আচ্ছা বানানো হচ্ছে আইজল লেখা, আইজল বলবো, কারেক্ট প্রনাউন্সিয়েশন কি হবে? এসটা বাদে কি হবে? আয়ল। তাহলে আমরা যদি এবার দ্বিতীয় এটাতে আসি তাহলে এখন কি হবে? We are on the
Second aisle.
আর যদি তৃতীয়টাতে যাই
We are on the third aisle.
okay. So this is our first section, first aisle and first section. What is it called? What do you think? What are you watching here? Some juice, some cosmetics. So we can say above all, this is the cosmetic section. So what we will call this? All types of masala is here. What we will say? This is the masala section. And are you looking this? What we are watching here?
Study item.
Yeah, study item. So what it should be called?
Study.
No, not a stationery section. Now we will see something different also. We are watching. Here is also our country snack.
Muri.
Yeah? Muri in English it called country snack. So now what we will see? সবার মতো গ্রোসারি বলবো
না
কারণ আমরা হচ্ছে কে আমরা হচ্ছে মুনা এটির স্মার্ট স্টুডেন্ট ফ্রম স্পোকেন বেজ তাহলে আমরা কি বলবো গ্রোসারি আমরা কি বলবো গ্রোসারি আইটেমস নাও could you come what is it called all types of cookery is here also this is called snack section are you watching this here are the tissue box and perfume it's a smelling box and also toothpaste and also other things soap also here what we will call it
I don't
this is also cosmetic section so in this section this is also if you will see the well section what we are seeing palm oil mustard oil কোনটা সরিষা তেল আর একটা হচ্ছে কি sunflower oil okay there are lots of different types of oil আচ্ছা যখন different types হবে এটাকে আমরা আরো সুন্দর করে কি বলতে পারি several কি বলতে পারি several types of oil yeah you can see here there are dairy products where you can get milk that section is called dairy section also we have some ice cream and these all are called refrigerated products what you are watching plate of clay and also other things also we are watching earthen pot and now you can see there is a cash counter we see that in our class I saw you in the on the monitor you see that but here you can see directly this is the cash counter from the salesman will be there and he or she will count your cash so that's the all things in the super shop